Okay, right? So the second scenario is I'm going to copy these 5 steps. Okay, 5 steps, and I'll give you the password is wrong. Okay, something I given. Okay, here you can say invalid password. Okay, you got it? Hello.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm like just looking at yeah.
So the difference is, here we are validating, we are logging to the Gmail application with valid details, and here we are logging with the invalid password. Okay, the other scenario. The other scenario. Testing Gmail login with invalid email address. Okay, copy these things again. Okay, here I'm giving the invalid email address that is called some. Okay, the password is white. Okay, so now we have 3 different scenarios, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Observe it. Okay, in 3 different scenarios, which one is the common? Which
Username.
prerequisites? Definitely that page should be
Title
there
and
every scenario.
username.
Definitely that page should be there for every scenario. Which
Yeah.
statement is reusable?
Then and given.
This given and then both, right?
Yes.
Yes. So these both things are common for each and every scenario, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So instead of putting these 2 statements in every scenario, we'll give only one time
Okay.
as the background. That means that is a prerequisite.
Okay.
For every scenario, apply these 2 steps and go with the remaining steps.
Okay.
Okay, like this. See that, like this. Okay, I'm gonna copy these things. Copy. So here, enter. Okay, so here, after applied background for the above scenarios. Okay, how it look like? Paste here. I'm gonna just go up. Okay, here. Yeah. So these 2 scenarios are common, right? Steps are common, right? Cut this one. Okay. Before the scenario, make it as the background. Okay. Background. Enter, paste here. Okay. And remove these 2 steps for every scenario. Where is that given? Given is already here.
No, you
I
removed
forgot to
that.
copy this one. I think I forgot to copy because this is very, very important for each and everything. We go back. Okay. And here, given is required for each and everything, each and every scenario. And here also. Now go up. Right. This is the scenario 1. Okay. And this is the scenario 2. Okay. And this is the scenario 3. So now I'm going to copy these 3 scenarios. Okay. Now after apply the background, okay, enter this here. Just reduce the font size so that yeah. So we need to apply the background, right? So for each and every scenario. So here,
Yes.
background colon, and what are the common steps for this? cut this one.
Given and then.
Yes, paste here. Okay, and remove the common steps from each and every scenario.
Mm-hmm.
From each and every scenario. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, but how we are going to apply in the this real-time scenario? So we'll do one practice scenario, then we'll check it out. Okay, so
Okay.
now I'm gonna create one feature file called Gmail background dot feature. My God, type name must not be specified. What is this? Oh, I'm sorry. I just created the class, right? I'm going to create
Yeah.
file. File Gmail background dot feature. You can give any name, but I'm just giving the specific name for this. Okay, just remove this one. Okay, I'm going to copy these scenarios because these are going to be useful. Okay, remove this this one as well as this space also should be removed. Okay, verb. Okay, background is fine, and but before this should we have feature, right? Feature.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, feature testing Gmail login with different scenarios
Mm-hmm.
end to end. What happened? Okay. Features are features.
Features.
Feature, right? Feature. But what is that we are getting? Multiple market in this line. What happens? Correct only. No.
I think that scenario. No, it's a feature actually.
It should be feature only. Okay, something go wrong. Feature.
Check with the previous one what we have taken.
The previous one. Okay.
Yeah, it's the same only.
Okay. Something you are doing mistake. Background or backgrounds is correct only. Background is correct only. Let's try in Google better. Okay. Future background is fine. Nothing is it's correct only. Feature. The problem, where is the problem? It's going to end something else. Okay. Nothing required. No. No. Somewhere there is.
The extension is correct. Oh, we are just making another feature. Mm-hmm.
Okay, being the feature. But what is the problem here? Same only, right? Nothing special. My goodness. Picture background. It's fine. Scroll. Okay. Login page. Something. So why I'm getting this error message? Multiple market at this line now. Multiple market at this line means, my goodness.
Background.
Not talking.
Is the extension right?
Scenario. Do we need to write any scenario outline? Is it not required? No, it's not required. Scenario outline is not required, but scenario only is required. Scenario. Oh God. This is the mistake we had done.
Oh.
Scenarios we put, right?
Mm-hmm.
Email application. Different scenarios. So we are not getting any warnings, okay? Because already step definitions are there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna Control A. Okay, I'll do one thing. Gmail, right? This is a Gmail, right? Gmail. I'm gonna take it. Oops. A. Setup login. This is not required. Control Z. So this is the Gmail login data table. Shall we take the data table? Scenario outline. We didn't try the scenario outline. I'll take this. My goodness. Gmail feature will be this Gmail feature. So this is scenario outline, right? And what is a normal data table? Data table. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'm going to create one class. Is equal to underscore Gmail login underscore multiple scenarios. Multiple scenarios. So here, what I'm doing is I'm going to do this. Or else shall we do with the scenario outline or data table or normal things? Normal data.
Anything?
Which
We'll just try with the normal one first. Let's see how it goes. This
okay.
one.
Okay. So now we'll go with the normal. Okay, do remember for each and every scenario, okay, it will open one browser. Okay, it will not be continuous to only one browser, it will going to open multiple browsers.
Yes.
Because how many scenarios we have written, those many browsers will be open.
Okay.
Okay, so that is some drawback in this document. So if you write 10 scenarios, it will open 10 browsers and it will test it the same 10 scenarios. Okay, like that it will happen. So first we have written this login valid, right? So I'm going to put this at the end. Okay, always login should be at the end.
Yes.
Save it. Okay, so here what I'm doing is this is the invalid This is invalid images, invalid details. Okay. And here what I'm doing is I'm going to create one class that is called multi-scenario. So here take the before class. Okay. And here public static
Good drive.
driver drive. Right. The next one. What is the method? At given method, right?
Mm-hmm.
At given end, these two are same.
Yeah.
Right. After this, what is the method? We have
Enter password.
scenario one, and here we'll
We
go
need to change that end part, right? Or user and verify that data.
the username. Okay, this one will take it. We'll take both.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. But we need to change that names, right?
Yep. Right. So which name your this scenario name? Step.
Yeah. Not scenario, end that one. What do you call that?
This one.
Yeah. Change something so that it will be
Okay, here
reflecting
enter
there.
the user enter the invalid username. Enough.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Copy this one. Go back here. User enter the right. Now go back here. My goodness, still there.
Didn't save.
I saved it. I saved it. I'll
No,
do all those things. I open this one. Okay. Use petty format. Save it, but even though it's coming, user enter the invalid username. So here, given done, title and invalid username. User enter the invalid username and that particular username.
mm-hmm.
It is coming. What is it? Let's see one two. And what next? Username password is done and clicking on the sign in button. When I click on sign in button, what is the first scenario? The first scenario is invalid username. Sorry, valid username, invalid password. We are giving username.
But you have specified invalid username. What is that?
No, that is a different scenario. Oh, sorry. This is a valid username only. Copy this one. Enter the valid username. Better.
Mm-hmm. That is caps V and you are written lowercase v.
I can make it as a normal. Better. But even though it's coming, same. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll make it as commented.
No, no. So listen, there is a dot there.
Oh, is it
Username after username.
username?
You enter the valid username dot.
Val username.
Period. What do you call that? Police stop. Police stop, right? I forgot.
No, it doesn't require it.
No, it is there in this. It is not there in that. Huh? What is that?
Where is
It
that?
is not there.
It's not
It
there.
is not there.
Very simple. What
I think
about?
there is a space between that too much also. Can you double check that, please?
I'm going to comment this one. Let's see that. I think it's going to be alright or something else. My goodness, still coming up.
Can you change the scenarios? Invalid login, invalid password, right? Okay.
And 1 second, let me go and check it here. The value username. Okay. This is a dollar symbol, and this is one argument. Still coming.
Something is wrong actually.
Yeah, something is wrong. That is we have to find out it. This is an invalid username. This is perhaps a valid username.
Invalid password, valid username.
Yep. Okay. Here string email and this one is fine. But why is coming up again?
Did you comment in the previous one? Maybe it is taking that one.
I commented everything. Okay. Let me comment this also.
Okay.
This is all not a query. My goodness. Okay. Let me go and check one by one. Gmail. This one.
Yeah, you have used capital U in the initial starting.
We already did it, but why it's coming again? That I need to understand. See, even though it's saving, also it's coming up.
Did you say that?
So, do we need to? My goodness.
Can you double check that saving thing, because I think it is not getting saved when you do Control S. Duplicate step definition. That's what, there is some other definition is going on. Maybe that login data table or something like that.
No, it's not like that. Okay, anyway, we are going to change everything. Testing Gmail. This is not coming. Gmail.
No, feature this checking about the step definition.
Comment everything here, right? Comment everything.
No, Gmail login.
Gmail login. This is
Okay.
commented everything. Okay. Okay, we'll do one thing here. I'm going to control Z each and everything. I'm going to remove it from here. Okay. Let's do it from the beginning. Okay. So given then is done, then I'm going to take it out, copy this one, and here, and okay, location, paste, dollar symbol. Okay, before this, we should have the regular expressions, right? Because we are passing one parameter. Copy this one. Public, void, enter, valid, username. Okay, let's go and see here. Query format still happening.
Why don't you remove that and try something is going on with the username, I think.
Shall we remove it? Come here. We'll remove this also. Okay. So now we'll go here with query format. Now it's not coming, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think we are doing some mistake with this one. Double quotation mark things. Okay.
I think you changed to something different. Why did you change the double quotation? Initially, it was something different, right?
Yeah, we can go with the data type also, not a problem.
No, 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 no.
Scenario outline.
Yeah, we'll see that. This is the same thing, giving the data in this hard-coded one.
Okay. Oh, that's fine. Not a problem. Yeah. Good idea. Okay. When user click on the next button, where is this? This one is not there. When user click on the next button, it's not there, but it's not
It is
showing.
referring to something else actually, Ramesh. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
in
Okay.
this.
Okay. Do one thing. We'll change this one completely. Uh, I enter I, so
Mm-hmm.
that we will not get any problem because now everything you will get it, right? Now what I'll do is
Now add that username at the end. Let's see what is there.
here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I enter the username. Copy this one. Go back. Space. Copy this regular expressions. Come here. Okay. Okay. Come here. This
Mm-hmm.
is coming.
It is
Some problem.
it is the email ID only.
Yeah. Some problem is there. That's the reason is coming up. Okay. We'll see that later on because we need to check this background. Uh, and done.
Mm-hmm.
And this is when I click on submit button. Next button.
Yeah, we can copy the rest of the things and remove those things.
I can go here. When. Yes. When I click on this
You can take password also.
and here, here Gmail code is required. Sorry, username code is required. What is username code? User enter this one. Okay. Copy this one. This one will be hard coded right now.
Mm-hmm.
But so now what you're doing is we are verifying the invalid, right?
Yes.
Invalid username, and you click on next button. Invalid password.
Mm-hmm.
Invalid password. We can remove this text. Okay, and copy this one. Go here. What is that? And right. And
Mm-hmm.
paste. Enter the password. Public. White. Enter. Invalid password. Okay. I enter the invalid password. And what is the proof for this one? This is the one. Copy this one. Come here. Come here. Paste it. Okay. I enter some password called some password. This is the invalid password. Okay. So after this, once we enter the invalid password, then click on sign in button.
Mm-hmm.
Go here. Okay. And take a copy of this. I click on sign button.
I don't know where you are doing. It is stuck.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Want to see my screen?
Yes, I'm not like it is stuck in some other screen.
Is it? Now, what do you see?
The previous one only, Ramesh. I don't see anything. It is stuck like that.
Can you see this class?
No.
Won't see the class.
I am in still that TC02 Gmail login default data table that class I'm seeing. Hello?
Now, can you see my screen?
No, Ramesh.
My goodness.
Hello? It's stuck actually. Like I'm seeing your screen, but it is like freezed.
Okay. So, right. So, click on sign in button, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is done. Okay. So, after this, then I verify the login page. Click on sign out button. This is wrong. Verify the validation message of invalid password. Is it?
Okay.
Generally, no. When you log into the screen, like example, Gmail
Yeah,
account,
yeah.
okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you will get something called, I enter some invalid password. Okay,
Yeah.
click on sign in button. What is this? The
Mm-hmm.
email and password you enter don't match. Okay, copy this one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Copy this one. So go here.
Mm-hmm.
Paste somewhere else called, I need to then right then method. So
Mm-hmm.
then at then, okay, double quotation, okay,
Mm-hmm.
cap symbol as well as dollar symbol, and
Mm-hmm.
you need to copy this message.
Mm-hmm.
Copy this one. Come back here. You can enter it. After
Mm-hmm.
this, public void verify Gmail login
Mm-hmm.
invalid word password message. Okay. So now
Mm-hmm.
what we have to do is first we need to capture this text. That means we have to know the property of this text message. Correct? The ID of the property of this message is the ID is equal to error message. Copy this one, ID is equal to, and here driver dot find element by dot
Mm-hmm.
ID of double quotation, okay,
Mm-hmm.
dot get text,
Text. Mm-hmm.
right? That means we are getting the text, but where you are
Yes.
storing this text message? I want to store this message in some string, okay. It
Mm-hmm.
can be, invalid password is equal, is that fine?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. This one I'm going to assert it, assert that assert or equals, assert assert equals,
Mm-hmm.
where is that assert equals, what happened, where is the string?
Hello?
Yeah, what happened, where is the string here? I'm not getting any string value here. Let me take this one. Okay. I'm gonna
There
remove.
is an error that the email and password you entered don't match. What is
This one
that?
we are going to copy it. We are going to copy it. I'm going to expect this message,
Oh,
right?
okay, okay.
Just copy this one, double quotation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And this is the both compares. Okay, we are going to accept it. But
Okay.
before this, we put some data slip because to get the message, it will take some time, right? To get the message, it will take some time. Okay, I'm done with the first scenario. Okay, okay. If you want to close the browser, you can close it. I'll take the this one because each browser we are opening the each browser, right? So we have each. Okay, I think this is going to be common, right, for all.
Yes.
Yep.
So you can put that also in the background, I think.
Yep. So this also will be in background. Okay, I'm going to add this method here first. I close the browser. Come here. But my question is, if you put this as a background,
Oh, it will execute first before the scenarios.
yes, that's right. Okay, the problem, these are the prerequisites, right? Okay, the closing browser is not a prerequisite, it's a post condition.
Yeah.
Post condition is nothing but once the scenario is completed, that should be executed. But here,
Okay.
before starting the scenario, these to be executed in the background. Before scenario started, before this scenario started, I had to execute these two steps, right, for common to all.
Yes, yes.
But if you put the and it will apply for all the three scenarios given. Then again, if you close the browser, you're not going to execute the scenarios. That will happen. Okay, we should not put that. So make it as this. And what next? Invalid email address, right? So this is for, I'm gonna put some text. Okay. So here, this is for Gmail login with invalid password. I'm gonna open. Right. So what next? Right. This is for Gmail login with invalid password.
Okay.
Next, the next scenario will be, what is that? This test case belongs to Gmail login with invalid email address.
రమేష్ గారు ఒక్క సెకండ్ అండి.
Yeah.
జస్ట్ a minute, I'll be there.
Okay.
ఏమా అమ్మా మా ఏమి పడవరా So,
Hello.
no, sorry, Ramesh.
Fine. Okay. So here what I did is that for the second scenario, I change these scenario steps. Okay. I enter the invalid username and I have to remove this one. Okay. And I click on next button. Okay. See, this is, I'm not getting any warnings because already step is there. Okay. No need to write multiple times.
Hello.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. I was sometimes no,
So breaking.
disconnected. Yeah, now I am fine.
Okay. So here, the first step is, and I enter the invalid email address or username. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When I click on next button, this is not getting any warning message because already step definition is there for the previous scenario.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm not going to write it because, okay, there
Mm-hmm.
is no need to write
Mm-hmm.
because already is there. Okay. When I execute in the
Okay.
scenario, it's automatically take the previous step, the
Previous
previous
step.
scenario method. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry about that.
Mm-hmm.
And even
Mm-hmm.
no need to write this method again.
Okay.
Okay, right. Let's go here. This is called as the testers belong to the invalid email address. What
Mm-hmm.
is that? I enter the invalid username. I
Mm-hmm.
enter the invalid username. Gonna copy this one. Yes. Copy this one. Paste. I enter the invalid username.
Mm-hmm.
Copy this one. Paste. Okay. So here I'm gonna write something, some different. And this is called enter invalid username. Okay, right. The next method is not required. Okay, and I enter the password valid password.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can pa
Public void
Mm-hmm.
enter valid password. Oh, 1 second, when you enter the invalid email address you will not get that particular page, right?
Yes, we don't get. We'll get
Okay,
validation
so no need to
message.
worry about it. Okay, I just gonna remove these two steps. Sign up also not
Mm-hmm.
required.
Okay.
Okay, when I click on next button automatically we'll get some error message that is called we need to verify it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we need to verify this message. Okay, this is called when.
No, why don't we invalid message? Did we do that?
What was that?
Invalid user. So
See,
for invalid username also, do we get a message? No, right?
yeah, of course, we'll get it. I'll show you that one.
Okay.
So here control H and remove the old data. Hello.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm watching that, but
Yeah,
it's
it
something
is
stuck again.
some invalid email address here. Click on
Okay.
export. What is sorry? Google doesn't recognize this email,
Yeah.
right? So I'm going to copy this
Mm-hmm.
mail, complete text message. Okay, go back
Okay.
here. So here, verify invalid email message. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
string invalid email message is equal to driver dot containment I dot id of that particular id. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
dot get text. Correct. Now here assert dot
Mm-hmm.
assert equals that. Okay, we'll take something called here, copy this message, My goodness.
What happened? Oh.
Okay, this is the message. And after this, what is the actual?
Driver dot get right. Driver. Sorry.
Invalid.
Dot get.
Anyway, we are storing this text in,
Oh
right?
yeah, we have that, right? Yeah, sorry, I forgot that. Okay.
Yeah. So here we have to take the property of this message. Okay. The property of the message is ID is equal to error message underscore email.
Excuse me.
Okay. Got it right? So we are done with only 2 steps. And when, that's it.
Okay. Okay.
Then I close the browser, already is there. This one I'll take, I close the browser. Okay. Now, so I'm done with the second one. Now, what is the third one? The third one is I enter the valid username, right? Valid username and password field. This one and okay. So anyway, we have already go to the Gmail login. Oh, I'm sorry. Valid username, password. Username, this one. Valid username. Valid username is there. Where is the username? Here username is there. Come down. Now start. This test scenario belongs to Gmail login with valid credentials. Okay. Now you paste it. Now I'll go copy the scenario step here. Here enter valid email address. Okay, this is valid email address. Then click on next button, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I click on next button.
But we already have that next, right? Where you want to do again?
Yeah, it's already there. Already there. Don't worry about it. Now I'm gonna click on the valid email
Password.
Password. Enter the valid password. I think I have given somewhere. What is that? Where is valid password? Invalid. Here valid password is not there.
First one.
No. We have invalid, and this is the invalid email. We didn't give any.
Valid password.
Go here and cap symbol with white valid email underscore password. Right. So here the password. What is the password? Password section. Here the password. Okay. Copy this code. You get the proper password. Okay. And then copy this one. Fine. Okay. What next? Okay. This one. Valid password. Click on user. Click on sign in button. Sign button. This will happen. Okay. And verify the login page. Click on sign up button. Where is this? Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me? Hello. Hello. My goodness. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, till now you were off actually.
Yeah, something is going on because network connection is not that much good.
Okay.
Okay, let me control A. Okay. Yeah, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So this is for Gmail login with invalid password. Okay. These are the five. What is that? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah,
8.
yeah.
Okay. And after this test case belongs to Gmail login invalid email address.
Invalid email.
Okay, we
Yeah.
have only two steps because already some steps are written in the previous one.
First. Yeah.
Okay. And the third one, this scenario belongs to Gmail login with valid credentials. So it enter
Mm-hmm.
email address. After that, next button already taken from the previous scenario, and Gmail password, and sign in button from the previous scenario, and verifying the logout page.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is done three scenario. You see here, no errors.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Pretty format, no
Mm-hmm.
errors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right. So now, do you need to run this one?
Yes. But you need to specify the background, right now?
Yeah. Background is there. So it has to open three browsers.
At a time or one after the
Yeah,
other?
each time is gonna open. Like one by one, it will open immediately.
Mm-hmm. Two.
It's opening the browsers, but it's not navigating the URL.
Yeah.
Oh, it's opening. Oh my God! One second. Something is going wrong. Something is going wrong because everything is opening. My goodness! All these things. Gmail login test. Future Gmail login test. But have
Time out, I think.
but have given a different one, right?
Mm-hmm.
The one I have to test it. My goodness! Why it is opening this one? Everything is commented. It's opening. Control here and this login page also. My goodness! Do one thing. Remove this. So one is Maven clean.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
What's happening? We succeeded.
Yeah.
My goodness, stuck up. Okay, what is the problem? Google's instance. What is this? Submit but click on URL. My goodness. Yeah, all these are running here. I never given.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God. Not work now. Okay, 1 second. Let me go and check here. Each and every given scenario. The given scenario, navigate to this URL, maximize it. Okay, start on it. Will success. The problem is, my goodness, why is this coming? Everything is commented, yeah. Oh God.
What is that feature, friends?
But, I'll do one thing. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, I got it. I got it. I'm gonna copy this one, paste here because the test quick runner, the run quick test is indicates to this feature folder, right? So it's looking
Mm-hmm.
at the feature folder where there is no feature file here. So I'm gonna paste here. Okay, this one here, pretty format. What is coming when I do the click on? Okay, I click on it. I click on it.
I closed.
Done. Now it should work. So the problem is, what is the problem? We have to place the feature file here,
Mm-hmm.
but we have to remove this from here. Now we have to clean once again. Event list install. It should work now. Yes, only working.
Mm-hmm.
Contest is done.
Mm-hmm.
So opening one by one, one after another. It's not any time. It's one after another.
Okay. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's see the okay build is failure because the second scenario doesn't execute the subtext
Mm-hmm.
step. Okay. Sorry, Google doesn't recognize that email. The difference word okay.
That we should not give that invalid one. Something is there, right?
I think the asset statement is wrong. given the assert statement is invalid one. Okay, doesn't work even but what zero. Where is this message? Let me see that.
Yeah, you gave something invalid message. That same thing you returned back.
Yeah, let's see that.
I don't know is it right or not. Get that.
Say this one, right? So here,
Mm-hmm.
get text. That means, okay, one second. Let me go here. Get the information. Come here. See, this is the one correct only. So ID. What can I here ID correct only. Get
Mm-hmm.
text is not working. Yeah, లేకపోతే ఎలా కట్టేది correct only. Set equals. One second. Set dot set equals string message double four two string message set equals. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Double there is no string message. String actual expected is not there. Also
Mm-hmm.
set dot okay. The problem is we have to import the framework, jail framework, but we are importing only this one. That is the
Oh,
problem.
okay.
So this is what I'm expecting actually. I'm going to copy this one. Now we can do it. Now it should work. And here doesn't pick up as email. Okay. And same thing for we have one more asset, right?
Mm-hmm.
Verify something. Now this one top verify some user message. Right. Everything is fine. I'll go back to this one. Before this, close all the browsers.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Gonna be open. This is invalid email address. Yep. So you can see now this is the invalid email, right?
Yeah.
Okay, still happening, yeah. Still happening.
No, this is valid one.
No, no, no. The second scenario actually. Second scenario is failing. It's not closing the browser, right? Should close the browser. Okay. I understand the problem is very simple. Where is that message? Goodness. This is the message.
Invalid password message. Mm-hmm.
Yes. So before this, where we are using this click on button, right? Okay. Actually, we forgot to give some set dot sleep.
Oh, okay.
Why? Because it will take some time to get the message. It can be a fraction of
Mm-hmm.
seconds or even some seconds. But web driver
Mm-hmm.
look immediately. Okay, that's the reason it's taking some time. It's asking some time. Okay, now
Okay.
if you run it, it definitely pass. Okay, get text.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, assert it. Okay, now definitely pass. You see that. Now I'm going to write once again. Hello.